Did you know that after age 65, nearly 1 in 9 Americans develops memory issues that may progress into dementia or Alzheimer's? And yet, research shows that nutrition, particularly certain oils rich in omega-3 fatty acids, can play a powerful role in protecting brain function. Today, we'll explore how a forgotten oil, once used in traditional diets, is making a comeback for seniors, and how one 80-year-old reported dramatic improvements in memory with just a spoonful a day. Section 1. The medical background. The human brain is made up of almost 60% fat, and a large portion of that fat is DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid. Doctors and neurologists have long emphasized that omega-3s, especially from fish oil and flaxseed oil, support cognitive health. Clinical studies published in journals like Neurology and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirm that seniors who regularly consume omega-3-rich oils show slower rates of cognitive decline compared to those who don't. Memory loss in older adults is often linked to chronic inflammation and reduced blood flow in the brain. Oils such as flaxseed oil, cod liver oil, and even extra virgin olive oil contain compounds that reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support neurotransmitter activity. Section 2. The story. At 80 years old, a retired teacher from Ohio noticed he was constantly forgetting names, misplacing keys, and struggling to recall familiar words. After consulting his doctor, he learned about the benefits of omega-3-rich oils. Skeptical but willing, he added just 1 spoonful of flaxseed oil to his morning routine. Within 3 months, he reported clearer thinking, better recall, and a noticeable boost in daily energy. His case is not unique. In fact, several studies on seniors show that even modest daily doses of flaxseed oil or fish oil can improve memory tests and delay age-related decline. While it's not a cure for dementia, it is a safe and medically supported tool for brain health. Section 3. Scientific evidence. Doctors at Harvard Medical School have pointed out that oils like flaxseed and fish oil provide essential fatty acids that the body cannot produce on its own. These compounds strengthen brain cell membranes and help neurotransmitters work more efficiently. A 2018 meta-analysis reviewed over 20 clinical trials and found that seniors who consumed omega-3 supplements showed significant improvements in memory, attention span, and processing speed. Even olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, has been shown to protect against cognitive decline due to its antioxidants and polyphenols.
Section 4. Practical advice for seniors. For seniors considering adding such oils to their diet, here are medically supported tips. Choose high-quality oil. Cold-pressed flaxseed oil, cod liver oil, or purified fish oil are best. Stick to safe doses. 1 tablespoon, about 15 milliliters daily, is generally safe, but always consult your doctor first, especially if you take blood-thinning medication. Pair with healthy foods. Drizzle flaxseed oil on salads, mixed with yogurt, or take it straight. Be consistent. Benefits are gradual. Improvements may appear after weeks or months. Doctors emphasize that while oils can help, they should be part of a full brain health strategy. Regular physical activity, balanced diet, quality sleep, and social engagement. At 80 years old, regaining memory with a spoonful of oil may sound too good to be true, but science shows it's possible. Omega-3 rich oils are not magic cures, but they are powerful allies in supporting brain health as we age. If you're a senior or have a loved one facing memory challenges, talk with your doctor about adding these oils to your diet. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new, please like this video, leave a comment about your experience with brain health, and subscribe for more evidence-based senior health advice. Remember, small daily choices can protect your mind for years to come.